Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna go over how to fix your Tesla glove box button is not opening. Now usually what you just do to open the glove box, you go to your touchscreen, you go to touch on controls, and then you go to glove box, and the glove box just automatically opens and the light turns on. Now if it doesn't work, what you need to do is just make sure you're not in valet mode, because if valet mode is active, it will not actually open. Okay. Or what you can also do, if you had a pin, for example, you can just go ahead and do a software reset. Sometimes that's all you have to do, a soft reset, a system reboot. So you hold these two scroll wheels near your Tesla steering wheel, okay, until the touchscreen goes black and the Tesla logo reappears. This can, clear those minor software glitches and just ensure that your Tesla is powered on and not in a deep sleep mode, as the glove box is basically electronically controlled and it requires power to open. Okay? So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.